Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn the name of the remaining birds. So, see here what you have to do. You have to repeat after me. Okay? So, let's start. Hornbill, hornbill, hornbill. Yes. So let's learn the spelling of hornbill. So H H H. Yes. O R R N. Horn. It's horn. What? Yes, are you repeating with me? Horn. B I double L. Bill. Horn bill. Repeat with me. Horn bill. Okay, come to next. Crane. Crane. It's crane. Crane. Let's learn the spelling of crane. C C R A N E. It's crane. It's crane. Okay, repeat with me. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. C-R-A-N-E. Crane. Okay, come to next. Robin. Robin. It's Robin. It's Robin. Let's learn the spelling of Robin. R O B I N. Bin. Robin. Robin. Okay, repeat with me. ROBIN. 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 Okay, come to next. C. Penguin. 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 Let's learn the spelling of penguin. How to pronounce penguin? Penguin. Yes. Penguin. It's penguin. Repeat with me. Penguin. 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 It's penguin. Yes. Okay, now we will solve the worksheet of bird. Label the body parts of a bird. So we have to label the body part of this bird. So what is this? This is a beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. And what is this? I. E-Y-E. I. What are these? These are feather. These are feather. F-E-A-T-her. Feathers. And what is this? This is a tail. Tail of a bird. And what is this? Foot. Foot. And what is this? This is a body of a bird. Body of a bird. So my dear students, see, Allah created the beautiful birds. The birds are of different colors and sizes. All birds have feathers to keep them warm. These are the feathers. Wings of the birds help them to fly. Help them to fly. Mouth of a bird is called beak. See, this is the mouth of a bird. The home of a bird is called a nest. The home of a bird is called nest. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. I've told you ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Bee, hummingbird, is the smallest bird in the world. Bee, hummingbird, is the smallest bird in the world. So my dear student, you have to solve this worksheet by yourself and you have to learn the name of the birds. Okay, Allah Hafiz.